Imagine this. You're in the middle of a peaceful afternoon when suddenly a sneeze ambushes you. No biggie, right? Well, think again. Sneezing too hard could actually fracture a rib. Yes, you heard it right. A sneeze. Something as benign as that packs a punch that could rival a boxer. Here's the science behind it. A sneeze can accelerate to over 100 miles per hour. When this force barrels through your body, it has to go somewhere. If you're unlucky, it could lead to a cracked rib. So the next time you feel a sneeze building up, don't hold it back. Let it out. You might just save a rib. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay safe.